On the way to the airport. Say hi. So anti. So we're at the airport now, ready to go to Aspen. My weave looks really messed up because I don't know how to do no lace front. So your girl is trying to learn how to do a lace front on this trip.
Your attention please. For passengers with children, please take extra precautions to ensure the safety of children while traveling throughout the airport.
We're okay though.
Someone's behind you. Oh, I'm so sorry. And it's so old. I can't. It smells rustic like elk. This is awful interior design. With as much money as they make. Have a safe flight. Oh, you look rich. Oh, bitch. Alright, bye, girl. Hey guys, we landed in Aspen. We got our luggage and now we're in our rental car. We're gonna go look up something to eat and go to the hotel. We can't check in until like 4 p.m. So yeah, I'm with Terry. Gang. And my sister, and Joy will join us at like 5 p.m. or something. So, and I'm working, y'all, because they don't want your girl to have a fun time. So I'm trying to eat. Where you going? Shorty? Where you going? Damn, you not finna feed us. She like, y'all not my favorite. That's my favorite. She really only feeding him. She petty. Everybody eats, B. Everybody eats. Here at the Westin. I'm calling to see if I could get a reservation for tonight, for 4 people. Yes, I'm a Marriott member. Not right now. First, I'd like to see if you guys even have any availability and how much it'll cost. Thank you. But we were panicking for the last 2 hours while you were chilling on the plane.
Actually wasn't chilling. Okay, so where are you guys?
We came to this hotel. It's called Limelight. It's in Aspen because we wanted to stay in Snowmass, but we couldn't stay in Snowmass. Because everything is literally sold out. We were going to even look at the St. Regis, but they were like sold out. This is Joy Nicole Newman. What's up, peeps? Isn't she so cute? So adorable. This is my sister. You already know, girl in the plane. Guys. This is Terry Newman, Joy's sister.
What's going on, folks?
You already know who it is. It's the Mazette. Okay, so we finally got a hotel.
It's dark, so
thanks to me. We finally got a hotel thanks to me, and some work by Terry. No thanks to Joy for booking a hotel for the 19th when we clearly were coming here on the 12th. We all knew we were coming here on the 12th. All you had to do was recheck the reservation to make sure that we were booked for the right date. But nonetheless, we got a hotel called Limelight, and it's actually really nice and pretty spacious for all of us. So we got Joy from the airport. She's here and we're ready to go eat dinner. So we're gonna go eat dinner at the Monarch. Should we not? Should we really? What did she say? What?
We homeless, Joy. We ain't got no hotel. And I'm like, what y'all talking about? I booked it the right time. And lo and behold, I accidentally booked it for the next weekend. However, I called yesterday.
Lie again.
I called yesterday and told them we want to check in early. And the lady was like, oh yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. So I feel like there was some inside job going on. You know, you can't trust some people. So low key, it's not my fault. But we made it to Aspen, all here and alive.
Hey y'all. What's the problem? You guys look so pretty. The light on this is like amazing. You're so fair.
I'm excited for it.
I'm more excited about the snowmobiles than this movie me too. I'm really afraid of something just like be careful.
Poor Terry. She's ill. She's not feeling too well.
Hold it. Oh, I love this. This is not fair. How come I can't get one like this with anybody? What do you mean? This is my favorite. I love that.
Oh, it's so cute.
I love it.
What's the okay,
I want my nacho friend. But and
wait, you actually want to sell for this lady?
No, it's that Billie Eilish song.
Hold it. Sorry, I don't know where I took that. Okay.
Best thing in the world.
What's up, world? Fumi, are you sad? Fumi's hangry. Eyebrows on. So y'all put your lip glosses together. I don't care. I made this for you, Terry. I'll show you what I made for you. Especially for you.
I think I'm a little tipsy, y'all.
It takes 2 hours or 4 hours. I don't care. You're part of this team. You're staying until the routine is clean. It takes 2 hours or 4 hours. I don't care. You're part of this.
Yeah, it was a really good night. We had a good time at dinner.
We did have a good night at dinner. Who got the keys?
So you guys just want to walk around with your camera and not have your keys?
Fucking children. Sleep in.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. And I'm a little tippy or whatever. But I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, no!
How did this happen? At least it's only the toe part.
No. Hey guys, so I'm in the bed. I'm ready to go to sleep because tomorrow's a long day. We're going snowmobiling and skiing at the same time. Not at the same time, but like one after the other. So, and I have like work, like my actual job to do in the morning because responsibilities call or whatever. I don't want to do it. But yeah, so I'm in bed, everybody's showering and conversating, having conversations, because I know conversating is not a word. But yeah, so I'm in bed. I'm gonna go to sleep because I need to wake up earlier than everybody else to do my work. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. Peace, peace, peace. Good morning. Day 2.
2 hours.
I still got crust in my eyes. No, but I'm up. I'm gonna start doing some work because I don't want nobody talking to me on Monday morning. So yeah, today is snowmobiling and skiing, and I know I'm not gonna have a lot of time to do work, so I'm gonna do it right now. But yeah, I feel better. I feel stuffed though from that steak from last night. Good morning. Today is snowmobiling day and I got my makeup on. I have my members, everything. This is Joy. She looks so sober. Okay. And my sister's in the car already. Woo! Woo! Oh gosh. Everything is just so much. Guys, it's like so hard to breathe with all this gear on and like walk and not fall in the snow. Like, we're at the snowmobiling place trying not to get left because it's 9:02. We were supposed to be here by 9:01. Oh my gosh. Oh, need to catch my breath. Oh my god. But we look jiggy, don't we?
So inconvenient.
So y'all remember in my Costa Rica vlog when I said my sister likes parking where there's snow? She did that shit again and we got stuck. So we got stuck and now we're walking to the snowmobile place. It's up the street. But whoa, I'm out of breath. Like, what in the world? I'm just exhausted. Ready to go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my god.
Right? Exactly. And there's these new commercials out right now. I think they were like debuted for the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
In case the terrible CGI didn't give it away, that's not a real mountain that they're climbing.
Thank you so much, Hammer. Some people just don't know how to drive around here. She was driving with the parking brake on, y'all.
You know I told you that I felt that way?
Yeah.
I'll just get an edge of it.
Now we are going skiing.
Somebody who dressed
Ski
up for
time.
Skiing time.
Okay, you do.
Ski time. So exciting.
Hope your air drops are working. If they're not,
Hold on.
wait,
don't do that.
Oh.
Joy definitely got it.
Yours isn't.
Mine isn't
Mine is.
working.
Ours isn't working, so just text that shit. Gotta make it go, gotta get the motherfucking angles. And you're showing up like you're Fable. And you're showing off, but it's alright. And you're showing off, but it's alright. This is your life.
They know. Watch the beat. I've been having a really good time on this trip, guys, because I feel like personally work has just been like draining me like a lot. So I feel like I needed this little break from it. And over here it just feels like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. It just feels like you're in like serenity and like peace. Like, I don't know, it has something to do with the mountains, but it just makes you feel like, you know, after everything that's going on in the world, we're in the middle of a pandemic or closing out, I don't know, but it just, I don't know, it just feels very calming to the spirit, and I like it. It's really nice.
She wants to get her lift ticket. A lift ticket.
Can't figure out how this goes on.
So you put your front in first.
Then what? I feel like you need to tighten it though or something.
I remember the guy was like, and then you like put it in. So, yeah. You guys should come up. Go together.
Yeah, are you guys finally?
There's no seatbelt on it. We're done skiing. It's like snowing really bad. I'm so tired. I need food. I think this is the snowstorm they were talking about that's supposed to hit. But my arms are literally tired. My whole body's tired. I just want to relax. Skiing is a whole different type of sport. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's some other shit, okay? If you ain't got no arm muscle, it's gonna be a little tough. I'm just tired. But we're gonna go get some food, so that should be great. Going to the thermal pool.
One way to do it.
You're welcome. Appreciate it.
So I put like this is the truffle fries. Just
Made it to the pool. We going to the pool. Did we at the pool with it or whatever? Oh my gosh, I still have my seatbelt on. Wow.
Talking about we at the pool with it.
I can't even get out. Help me hold this. Damn, I gotta take off my jacket.
Always worried about the gram. Ooh, no, baby. This makeup not looking good, baby. Yeah?
Okay.
What?
Guys, we're at Glenwood Hot Springs. Weather is trash, okay? Oh wait, I can do the sister tie right now.
This is a really nice picture right here. Can you take a picture with this thing?
I don't know how to do that. I could
You
do
can.
one on my phone.
You can also
I could do one here. Someone just did some COVID shit, so we gotta go. We gotta go. It's time to go. Where'd you put my camera?
In here.
Thank you, darling. Thanks. Gotta go.
And stuff, whatever. So we get to the grill part where they have the hash browns, the waffles. So I walk up there and I see the guy. I was in there for a minute. I was just like waiting for him, and I see him texting and he's making eggs. So I was like, okay, excuse me, you know, to be serviced. He walks up and he's like, oh yeah, I'm still making some fried chicken right now. Oh yeah, I'm still making some fried chicken right now.
He said what?
He said I'm still making the fried chicken right now. It's not ready. I was like, I don't even want chicken. I just want waffles and hash browns.
You're lying. I swear. I swear.
And then Fikal was like, so then they have hard-boiled eggs already, you know, made in a bowl. And so Fikal was like, you know, what's this? He goes, hard-boiled eggs or whatever. She goes, okay, can I just grab it? Because of COVID times. And then he was like, yeah, you just grab it and you peel off the shell. And we're like, no, the fuck.
Did you say something?
So, no, so I told him, I was like, she's asking me because it's COVID time. She goes, no, she can grab it. He goes, oh, okay, I got it. Yeah, yeah, you can go ahead and grab it.
Did you say something about the fried chicken?
I told him, I said like, no, I don't want fried chicken. I just want, yes, this was mission. I'm like, but I don't want fried chicken. All I wanted was waffles and hash browns. And then he goes, oh, okay. And then he goes and grabs it and starts serving me.
I'm gonna go there and be like, can I have some fried chicken? And he's gonna be like, sure. I'm like, no. Why would you think I want fried chicken?
Because you said it. That doesn't make any sense.
Exactly. It doesn't make any sense. Just like he. Oh my gosh. So racist. Like,
I was like, take it back. I'm like, are you serious?
Dude was like, no. Why do you think I want fried chicken? Like, oh my god.